welcome to Sarah's teaching trayer. Today we learn 8 words with short vowel A. But first sing with me. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now it's time to read 8 words with short vowel A. First sing with me. At, 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 at. B at bat, K at cat, M at mat, R at rat, H at hat. B at bat, B at bat, B at bat, K at cat, K at cat, K at cat. M at mat, M at mat, M at mat, R at rat, R at rat, R at rat, H at hat, H at hat, H at hat. B at bat, M at mat, K at cat, R at rat, H at hat. I hope you learned 8 words. If you like, please share and subscribe.